This is the Series 65 townhouse model ng Amaya Series Nuvali. So kapag sinabi nating Nuvali, syempre, it's a prime and exclusive subdivision project of Ayala. Ayan, so may parking ka dito, tapos may space ka pa din sa gilid. This is the end unit, kaya may space ka sa gilid. Pero kapag inner unit, ganito yung itsura niya. Ganyan. So, may sarado yung kanilang dress up unit. Check natin itong turnover. So, yung turnover niya, ganyan na ganyan na. Ang maganda dito sa Nuvali talagang, since sikat ang Ayala properties when it comes to exclusivity and security na community, kapag maraming nagre-renta dito. Yan, so we have our, of course, we have our restroom here. Currently, ito ay nasa 5.7. Then, pwede mo siyang i-loan through bank financing. We also assist naman din sa, kaya maraming tatanong sa akin, ano kailangan pag bank financing? We do assist with the bank financing application. So, kailangan mo lang mag-submit ng requirements. So, ito, dalawa CR niya. Ito yung pangalawa. Then, this is the first room. Ito yung pangalawang room natin. And the third bedroom. Ayan. So, we have a 3-bedroom and a 2-toilet and bath townhouse unit here in Nuvali. So, pag sinabi natin Nuvali, of course, diba? Talagang prime real estate by Ayala yan. Sold out na yung kanilang phase 1. So, ang may available na lang is sa phase 2. So, yun nakikita niyong bahay sa labas. Before pa matayo yan, sold out na siya. Ayan. So, if you have questions, just message me.